Whales captivate and enchant so many people around the world with their majestic appearance, unbelievable size, and elusive and sensitive natures. It is easy to fall in love with these gentle giants, and for those of us in the UK, we are blessed to have a number of whale species passing through our waters. Here are 3 amazing whale species that you can find in the UK. Firstly, we are going to take a look at the majestic fin whale, which is the second largest animal on Earth, right after the blue whale. These magnificent creatures can grow up to an astonishing 80 feet in length and weigh as much as 70 tons. This means these amazing whales can grow to the size of 2 double-decker buses in length and weigh the equivalent of 17 elephants. Fin whales have a streamlined body with a distinct ridge along their back just behind the dorsal fin, which gives them their name. Despite being one of the most massive animals on Earth, fin whales are incredibly agile swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 20 to 20 miles per hour for short bursts. Fin whales are skillful hunters. They feed by lunging forward with their mouths wide open, engulfing huge volumes of water and then filtering out small prey, such as krill and small fish, through their baleen plates. Some whales have these baleen plates in their mouths instead of teeth. The plates are made of baleen, which is made of keratin, same protein that our fingernails and hair are made of. Baleen plates are huge, bristly filters that are designed to sift, sieve and trap the whale's prey from the seawater. As well as lunge feeding, fin whales are also capable of deep dives, reaching depths of up to 1,000 metres in search of food. As well as their amazing hunting skills and lunge feeding tactics, the fin whale has another fascinating anatomical feature known as ventral pleats. These pleats allow the mouth to expand considerably when lunge feeding, accommodating a large volume of water and prey. The pleats then contract, pushing the water out while the baleen plates trap the food inside the mouth. Fin whales have a wide distribution, and during the summer months you can spot them in the waters around the UK, especially in the Celtic Sea and the Hebrides. Population size of fin whales in the UK is not precisely known, but they are considered relatively rare compared to other marine mammal species. The UK government and conservation organisations work to monitor their numbers and assess potential threats to their habitat. Fin whales are excellent communicators. They produce a variety of sounds including songs and clicks, low-frequency moans and pulses. The sound of these vocalizations can travel long distances underwater. Many of these vocalizations are distinctive and with rhythmic patterns. Scientists believe these calls play a crucial role in mating and social interactions. Fin whale vocalizations are some of the lowest frequency sounds made by any animal on Earth. Their calls can range from 20 to 200 Hz, with the main frequency typically around 20 to 40 Hz. One intriguing aspect of fin whale vocalizations is the phenomenon known as duetting. Duetting occurs when 2 fin whales, often assumed to be a male and a female, produce vocalizations in a coordinated manner. This synchronized calling pattern has been observed in different areas and is believed to play a role in courtship and mate attraction. The duetting behaviour adds complexity to their communication and suggests a level of social coordination between individuals. Socially, fin whales are generally considered solitary creatures, but they can display social behaviours during certain circumstances, such as during the duetting vocalizations. Fin whales have been observed in loose groups or pairs, especially during feeding or migration. They may engage in behaviours like synchronised swimming, which might be a way to strengthen social bonds or cooperate in finding food. Social interactions in fin whales are less understood compared to more gregarious species like dolphins or killer whales. Their vast ocean habitat and relatively low population densities make it challenging for scientists to study their social behaviour extensively. Like the majority of marine species in 2023, fin whales face threats due to human activities. Some of the main threats fin whales face, like many whales worldwide, are ship strikes, fishing net entanglement, ocean and noise pollution, climate change, habitat degradation, and even whaling, which is still happening in some areas. However, by learning about these incredible creatures, we can raise awareness and take action to protect their fragile marine environment. Now let's move on to our second fantastic whale species that we have here in the UK, the Minke Whale. The Minke Whale, the smallest of the baleen whales, may be smaller in size than species such as the fin whale, but they can still reach lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh between 5 to 10 metric tons, which is still about the weight of 2 female elephants. They have a streamlined body shape with a pointed rostrum and a distinctive white band on each flipper. Minke whales are incredibly agile and known for their acrobatic behaviour. In terms of diet, Minke whales are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will devour a variety of prey, such as krill, small fish, and even squid. Their diverse diet makes them adaptable and successful predators. While most Minke whales are baleen feeders, using only their baleen plates to filter small fish and krill from the water, there have been rare instances of Minke whales in the UK exhibiting different feeding behaviour. Some individuals have been observed engaging in lunge feeding, where they rapidly open their mouths and engulf large quantities of fish at the water's surface, resembling the feeding behaviour of larger whales like fin whales and humpbacks. Minke whales are migratory creatures. They follow the seasonal movement of their prey, and Minke whales in the UK exhibit distinct migratory patterns. While some individuals are considered resident or non-migratory, others undertake impressive long-distance migrations. A study revealed that some Minke whales from the UK travel as far as the Azores in the winter, covering a distance of over 2,000 kilometres each way. Minke whales are regularly spotted in the waters around the UK. They are commonly found in the North Sea, the Irish Sea, and parts of the Atlantic Ocean surrounding the British Isles. Their presence is more prominent during the warmer months when they migrate to these waters for feeding. Similarly to fin whales and the majority of cetaceans, Minke whales are known for their intricate vocalizations. These include clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls that allow them to communicate and interact with each other. Minke whales are known for their vocalizations, but in the UK, researchers have discovered unique acoustic dialects among different populations. These dialects consist of specific patterns and frequencies of calls that are distinct to certain regions. The variations in vocalizations indicate that these whales might have complex social structures and communication methods. In the UK, Minke whales have been found to hybridise with other species of baleen whales, particularly the common and blue whales. Hybridisation occurs when individuals of two different species mate and produce offspring. These hybrid individuals can exhibit a combination of physical characteristics and behaviours from both parent species. While hybridisation is relatively rare, it adds to the complexity of understanding Minke whale populations in the region. Minke whales in UK waters have been found to host a variety of parasites on their skin and in their blubber. One such notable association is with the cookie cutter shark. These small sharks attach themselves to the whales and use their specialised teeth to remove small plugs of flesh, leaving crater-like wounds. Although these wounds are generally not life-threatening to the whales, they provide valuable information to researchers studying the ecology of these marine mammals. Finally, let's take a look at the fascinating world of sperm whales. Sperm whales, the largest of the toothed whales, have intrigued sailors and scientists alike for centuries. While sperm whale sightings are still rare in the UK has the highest number of recorded sperm whale sightings in Northern Europe. Sperm whales are true oceanic giants, with males reaching lengths of up to 60 feet. A typical adult male sperm whale can reach lengths of about 52 to 67 feet, and weigh around 45 to 70 tonnes. Not only that, but their heads alone can make up 1/3 of their entire body length. One of the most distinctive features of the sperm whale is its massive head, which can account for up to 1/3 of its total body length. The head houses the large spermaceti organ, filled with a waxy substance called spermaceti. The purpose of this organ is not entirely understood, but it is believed to play a role in buoyancy control and acoustic communication. Sperm whales are also known for their ability to produce powerful echolocation clicks using the spermaceti organ, helping them navigate and hunt in the dark depths of the ocean. Sperm whales are known for their exceptional diving abilities. They are considered the deepest diving marine mammal and can descend to incredible depths in search of food. These whales have been recorded diving to depths of up to 3,280 feet and can remain submerged for over an hour in search of their favourite prey, giant squid. Their diet primarily consists of deep-sea squid and occasionally fish, and they are known to consume colossal amounts of food to sustain their massive size. The sperm whale holds the title of being the largest toothed predator on Earth. Sperm whales are highly social creatures and live in family units known as pods. Each pod is composed primarily of females and their offspring. Male sperm whales, on the other hand, tend to roam independently or form bachelor groups. These whales communicate using a series of clicks known as coders. Each pod has its unique pattern of coders, which helps them identify and communicate with one another. It would be hard to talk about sperm whales without mentioning the whale's connection to the legendary novel Moby Dick by Herman Melville. The novel was inspired by the real-life encounters of whalers with sperm whales. These encounters often led to epic battles, and the book immortalised the sperm whale as the formidable white whale Moby Dick. Historically, sperm whales were hunted for their valuable spermaceti oil, which was used in candles and lubricants. Today, they are protected under international law, but they still face threats such as entanglement in fishing gear, underwater noise pollution from human activities, and the impact of climate change on their prey availability. Whales face threats worldwide, but there are steps we can take as individuals. We can support conservation organisations that conduct research into these amazing creatures. We can practice responsible whale watching and take small steps to reduce our personal plastic use. We can advocate for sustainable seafood and marine protected areas and educate others about these amazing creatures. These three amazing whales are a testament to their species and remind us just how important it is to look after our oceans. Thank you so much for listening, and if you enjoyed this video, come and say hi on Instagram at DiscoverWildOfficial.